In other news, the Zambia Agriculture Research Institute ZARI Acting Agriculture Chief Research Officer Dr. Patrick Chikoti says there's need for the country to adopt the nanopore technology as it will help the medical personnel to know the DNA profile of organisms and help farmers with the detection of diseases in the agriculture and livestock sector. Dr. Chikoti noted that the scientists want to use the gadget for detecting pathogens which cause diseases in crops and how to control them. He says researchers at ZARI and other institutions are in urgent need of gadgets in order to help farmers to increase the farming yields and know the types of organisms involved in spreading diseases and attacking different crops. He has, however, called for more investment in research and support to acquire new technologies from government and other stakeholders. Here is a report.
Already prepared into a new tube, and then after that we can, this should be our master mix, and then we can run or do something as so this is how.
Technology has deeply affected the global economy, and its usage has been linked to marketplace transformation and improved living standards. Nanopore technology is the technology that is applied to sequence on living things in the environment. For this reason, the Zambia Agricultural Research Institute ZARI Acting Agricultural Chief Research Officer Dr. Patrick Chikoti told this reporter that the country urgently needs this gadget in order to carry out research that will benefit medical personnel and the farmers in a long term.
Don't cause diseases, but we want to know the DNA profile. So this mini ion is one of the gadgets that would enable us learn more about the DNA, DNA for different organisms. Yeah. But it also allows, the DNA, then you can also know differences or if there are any alterations within the DNA. Okay, you'll be able basically to know that. There are so many benefits. One of them, like I just mentioned, knowing the DNA profile of an organism. Okay, that's one of them. Like you've heard of human genome. There are scientists trying to learn the entire genome of human beings. So once they know the genome of the entire the human beings, they'll be able to know how each trait functions.
And a scientist from Zimbabwe, Tapiwa, has called for African governments to engage scientists and work together and acquire them new technological instruments.
I think the government should engage the scientists. I think we really need to work together because a lot of problems can be solved by science. But so as students, you don't know how it is like to spend like from 8 to 6 in the lab and then you don't get results. It's frustrating, and we get to face that almost every day.
The development and use of technology is not, however, limited. Josephine Haujanika reporting.